welcome back. I'm Kathy, and if you're new to my channel, I do food and product reviews. And I was on Instagram the other day going through the stories, and I reached Wendy's Instagram story. Baconator cookies. That is correct. First I thought, oh no, did they just put hamburger in cookies? Hamburger and bacon in cookies? But no, they did not. Thank goodness. Thank goodness. Just bacon. Just bacon. I've done the Wendy's Baconator or Junior Baconator, whatever, so why not do the Baconator cookies? Easy to make, very similar to chocolate chip cookies, so here's how I made them. All right, here's the Baconator cookie dough. It said after you make it to let it refrigerate for 20 minutes up to 24 hours. So I just let it set overnight. All right, so here is my bacon. Set to make into little balls. But you're gonna put it in the bacon. It's a little messy, but not on the bottom. So that looks good to me. I may just press it on the top, I don't know. But yeah, so I didn't use quite a full pound of bacon, and I'm probably not gonna put it all on these just in case they're gross, but that's all you do. Alright, so there they are, Baconator cookies. They bake at 325 for 11 to 13 minutes. Alright, here they are. So I thought I had a lot of bacon on top before I baked them, but they kind of spread out, so it doesn't seem like as much. The recipe calls for 5 tablespoons of bacon fat. It was short a little bit, so I just replaced it with the butter. I don't think it made that big a difference. And I did taste the dough. Yes, I lived on the edge. I tasted the dough before I put it in the refrigerator, and I could taste a little bit of bacon, not a lot. I wonder if you used all bacon grease, if that would just be way too much. I don't know. But I am curious to try these. I'm like, so sweet, salty. Yeah, I think they should be good. Give it a try. Chewy. I was thinking when I put the bacon on there, the grease that was still in the bacon would bake down into the cookie. For all the bacon that's on here, I don't get a strong bacon flavor, to be honest. I get the texture of it, but not as much flavor as I thought. The cookie itself, just as a chocolate chip cookie, is really good. And I think for me, I bake these perfectly, because I don't like them. I like them soft. I don't like when they get hard and crunchy. I get the saltiness of the bacon, but honestly, I don't get a strong bacon flavor, which I'm really surprised. Okay, so I'd actually finished this video and I was still eating on the cookies, and I realized that once they cool off, there's more of the bacon flavor because I was eating them warm. But now that they've cooled, I can taste the bacon a lot more now. I get that smokiness of the bacon. I think now I'm getting more of the sweet and salty. When they were warm, I really couldn't taste it. It's kind of weird. But yeah, now I can really taste it. I think I would rather have it without the bacon. If I want the sweet and salty, I think I would rather just add some salt, some sea salt to the top. I really don't need the smokiness of the bacon. And I think it's the texture of chewing. I'm not a big fan of that. Well, of chewing the bacon and the cookie. Know what I mean? But if you really want to get that bacon flavor, you need to let them cool and don't eat them warm. What you could do is you could make, some with bacon and some without. Because like I said, it is a really good chocolate chip cookie. So yeah, so if you've had cookies with bacon or if you made this recipe, let me know what you think in the comments below. All right, so that brings me to the trivia of the day. Yes, the trivia, Christmas trivia. It is Christmas Eve. Well, if you're watching this the day I posted it, it's Christmas Eve. But I thought it would be fun to do some Christmas trivia with you. Okay, so I have 5 Christmas trivia questions. I'm gonna read them all. You can pause it and try to answer them if you like, but after I read them all, I'll go back and I'll give you the answer. So, okay, question number 1. 3 of Santa's reindeer's names begin with the letter D. What are those names? Number 2. What was the first company that used Santa Claus in advertising? Question number 3. In the movie Elf, what was the first rule of the Code of Elves? Number 4. Miracle on 34th Street centers around what real-life department store? And number 5. Number 5 was a hard one for me. I had to Google it, and I'm still thinking, how is that right? How many gifts in total were given in the 12 Days of Christmas song? All right, pause it if you need to. I'm going to give you the answers now. All right, number 1. 3 of Santa's reindeers, names begin with the letter D. What are those? Dasher, Dancer, and Donner. Did you get that one right? Keep track and tell me how many you got right in the comments below. Be honest. Number 2. What was the first company that used Santa Claus in advertising? Coca-Cola. Number 3. In the movie Elf, what was the first rule of the Code of Elves? Treat every day like Christmas. Number 4. Miracle on 34th Street centers around what real-life department store? Macy's is correct. And number 5. How many gifts in total were given in the 12 Days of Christmas song? 364. Still trying to figure it out, but I think it's right. All right, so let me know in the comments below how many you got right. Be honest. I hope you all have a wonderful holiday with your family and friends, and stay safe. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please think about hitting that red subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.